another little adventure.
One of the young fellas from the place I work at's told me about this track, so yeah, we'll go check it out. And the steering tire's down again.
Reverse down here.
Yeah, you reverse down and then you've got to try and climb it.
Oh. Unless you go that way. So this is the way.
I don't know. And hopefully it should be right. It's pretty hard. Just walk through it. So.
Rocky.
They go for the rocks. The fucking. Yeah, I fucking bent it up a little bit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I fucking did it twice.
Oops. Are they designed for that? They're rock sliders?
Oh, they're side steps. They're just side steps, but they save the fucking car. Yeah.
Meanwhile,
I don't know, he was asleep still.
and get eaten by crocs.
I think it was worth it.
Is this the end?
Yeah, this is the end.
Oh.
Even though I sort of damaged the side step, I still think it's worth it. It's all part of the adventure. Oh, the water's so clear.
Cold. Is it crocs?
So nice. Hey?
Is it crocs?
No. No, I was just looking for them. Just, yeah. Oh, no.
Look at this healthy spread, minus the pepperoni. Delicious olives.
Don't eat it.
Avocado, slightly sad. Marinated capsicum, hummus, eggplant, strawberries, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, carrot, beetroot, and there was raspberries. Oh, and cheese. What do you reckon?
And beer.
Oh yeah, not so healthy. Liquid toast.
Yum. We're fogged for the first time. Too deep. The wheel ruts are too deep. I'm sitting on the ground.
Can you reverse it out?
I just tried to reverse.
Oh. I thought you said we're going to turn around.
Yeah, I didn't know it was going to get stuck straight away. It's dry. It's not wet, it's dry.
Are you just trying to make some more exciting content?
I'm just trying, we need a bigger lift.
Because we probably need some more exciting content.
Yeah, she's a bit deep.
I was anxious but hopeful.
That was lucky. Oh, that's how you winch yourself out.
I thought you were going to pull the tree over at one point. It was like...
What was it?
A little bit. Hey!
We're out.
Yeah, we're out. We're just doing some more exploring again.
So I need a 3-inch lift.
Not much to do around Katherine now, so yeah.
There's still heaps to do.
Like what?
Drive around, look for more tracks.
That's what we're doing. That's why we do it. That's fun. What's it say?
Aboriginal stuff. No swimming. There's a couple of birds around. That's about it. We're lost.
Lost.
There we are. GPS doesn't even know where we are.
I know where we are. I just don't know how far we are to our destination.
Yeah, 46 Ks, 10 Ks, 23 Ks.
Quarter of a tank of fuel.
Not much water.
We're not prepared today.
No.
William has food and water. Now. Oh, water. Water.
Minutes.
Going,
I can hear the waterfall from here.
going for a well-prepared walk. Thongs. Yeah, this much water. Don't try this at home. Well, if you're at home, you got more water. 30-minute return. Oh man, we've been walking for ages. So tired. Not really. It's been a minute.
Let's go for a swim.
I was gonna say, fancy a swim, anyone? Might get your toes nibbled.
No, let's not do a swim.
Is that a croc cage? Is it really?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Oh, that's exciting. What if the croc's bigger than the cage?
This is a cage so you can go swimming in it.
Oh yeah, that'd be fun.
I wonder if it's say 440 and the furthest one's 580. Where's the track?
That was it.
Where's the track?
We're lost.
Where's the track?
Where's the fucking track?
So that's it.
Well, that was sad.
Hey?
The croc cage is cool. Down the way, hey?
It's a secret track.
Michael's secret garden.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through.
That's cool.
No limit to what we can do. what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy.
Say again. You knew which way it
I
was.
knew that the GPS had to be with us. The inReach had to be with us because we had two tracks, one going out and one coming back.
I thought you were talking about the walking track we just did.
No.
So you're like, I know which way it was. Why do we keep walking in circles then? Where's the track?
Where's the track?
Where's the track? Where's the track? Where's the track? I don't freaking know.
I should have read the sign.
Guys never read instructions either. Hello! The quill. So we've gone out to dinner at the Katherine Club. Saying hello! It's a thing we do every Sunday with Daddy. We go out for dinner. It's pretty much the only full day we get together whilst we're working. Here he is! He's got your drink bottle!
There you go.
That's Williams.
So we're out for dinner at
Katherine Club.
the Katherine Club, the RSL.
We're off exploring again. We came down here yesterday for a bit so we could have a splish splash. And then Michael came last night and decided to go crocodile hunting by himself.
Not crocodile. Barra.
Barra and cherubim. And I ended up calling him because I was worried that he's going to get eaten. We saw 3 crocodiles?
Yeah, 3 last night.
Yeah.
All staring back at me.
Yeah. And thankfully he came back uneaten. And check it out again today.
We got some new tyres the other day.
Oh yeah.
We got some jewelers.
Got the wrong ones.
Jewelers.
Got the wrong ones.
Well, we'll see how we go. They got a pretty good review.
That's good.
And all terrain. We're getting bogged. I'm serious. It's really soft out there.
Yeah.
It's all part of the adventure.
Yeah.
I need you to get out. I can't be going blind anymore.
Oh, back.
I need you to stop. I can't do it without you stopping. Well, we didn't get out of that unscathed. We got some panel damage. Just minor panel damage. It's all good. Part of the adventure, I suppose.
Michael says I need to get better at directing.
Spotting. Need spotters.
I just need to know what to do.
More tracks will help that. The tyres did alright. We didn't get bogged. I swore we were going to get bogged. But we didn't. But anyway. Anyway, here's the damage. Go to the panel beaters on Monday. Not too many people have been down that track. That's for sure. I had to cut some of the trees away just so we could get through.
Sorry?
I had to cut the tree down.
Yeah.
Not the tree, but the dead branch hanging over.
Get some firewood.
She's alright. I've got my new spotter. It's gonna help me get through this track.
Hello.
Hey.
So we're off an adventure for Michael's birthday. He doesn't know where we're going. He thinks we're going to the pub. Because we do every Sunday.
I reckon it's a river cruise.
We'll find out. Where are we going?
The helicopter ride.
No.
Yeah, it is.
A helicopter ride.
It is. I know it is.
We're going to the bridge.
No, we're not going on the bridge. I know what we're doing. Katherine helicopter. Thanks, man.
It's so weird, it's got no doors.
Hold on, mate.
Yeah, no wriggling.
You're gonna freak.
I hope not.
You'll be right. Actually, I will get you. Just initial there.
I was just gonna get a video of the chopper.
There's a bit of heat in it, isn't there? Oh, even when we were flying along, I could feel the heat. Oh, really? Yeah.
Maybe that was just you.
Let's stick the head out the window.
Just loving this moment.
the time. Don't you know that